front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Notifications and Quick Settings. Then scroll to choose Manage All right next to App Notifications and hit Recent at the top left corner. Then select one of those sorting options: Recent, Frequency, All, or Turned Off. And when you're ready, use blue switches next to your apps to block all notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. If you want to, you can also go back, tap on any app over here and use the switcher next to Allow Notifications to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!